Stephanie here with TCB Drones. I travel a lot, so I always have my drone with me because I like to get good aerial views of the cities where I am. Now, do I just pop out the drone, put it up in the air, start taking videos willy-nilly? No, there are rules to this. Let me show them to you. First, I do a search for drone laws in whatever city I'm in. Some cities have laws against flying drones, but I ignore them and I fly them anyway. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Always follow the rules, boys and girls. Now, once I decide where I want to fly the drone, then it's time for me to get the drone ready. So, you know, when you're using any camera or recording equipment, you have to do kind of like your checks and balances. For a drone, it's called calibrate. Drone is calibrated, then I'm headed out. So let's go. Can you guess what city I'm in?